And let's go to Acts chapter 15, verse number 37 to 39. Asma funyuma etra dio asanson. Nchiche mu aye dio asangoche. Ediko epime dio asankron. Now Barnabas was determined to take with them John called Mark. It's a branch and a friend John Mark. But Paul insisted that they should not take with them the one who had departed from them in Pamphylia and had not gone with them to the work. Then the contention became so sharp that they parted from one another. And so Barnabas took Mark and sailed to Cyprus. Mami kai chino emao. Your man in the morning. Asuma Fonyuma. Acts of the Apostles. Etrea eyedunum. Nenchichebua. Ayed dia sanson de kopim. E dia sankron. Yentia safara dia sem. Spirit of God taught, changing lives. Na Barnabas kase wobefa Yohane or friend no Marco aka won ho. Na suppose to say enye se wobefa de otwe ne ho free won ho Pamphylia one wan ankoya adwuma no aka won ho. Ada kasa emu ya den baaye tie me yo. Barnabas ne Paul akasa emu ya den baaye. Na ma wo papa emu. Na Barnabas fa Marco fa nsuo ani ko Kipro. Cyprus no ni twi di Kipro. No personal attacks. You see, conflicts in the workplace, in ministry, or even in marriage is inevitable because you are working closely with one another. Your wife Jumaimu hai. Ubetumako production, MCR, Nebia, school fees in it, David. Imagine come and Chrome will be home. Esida. Me money team, Ebia, Betima say, I'm be see Ebi, me see there be na me no imagine come and Chrome. Our DM Ebetima see, our machine crowd, baby in the Chrome, Betimia, Ebia Muhuruso. It is normal with humans to say, many people we disagree to disagree, or we disagree to agree. It is so normal. Entity me say opinion will be one on your bonsam. The only thing is that his opinion and his perception about how he sees things is different from yours.
Food for thought, changing lives.
Ajini to atuamu obi ohanuma send you si hunu niema si fanye sa na hunu enti sa woni ne kasa onto wase no onto wase a ene no nyaka enkasa ntia no. The reason why I say no personal attacks is this. Obi ohanuma oni obi ajini nkobe nkroma na aye atenie otumi ka chere se na woni nyansa asenko watemase. And so I mean, okay, a simple thing. The moment you attack, you miss it. This is wisdom living. The facts of being say that person is evil. The only thing is, he has a perspective or how he sees things different from yours. And maybe there are some things you have to let go and move on. Because trying to explain yourself for the person to understand you, on tia said dentio so chaso. Obi on ma o ye titi trinity. The other can be out tia said. Just so the tia kopim say pine. Jado no kopim o beba. Yo krobio ha o yire huna dear mi ura dear we amwa. On tia judge so kopim. O ye cry yo benya kasetia. If you have a husband like that, leave him to make all the mistakes he will learn. If you have a wife who can say, hey, yes, say, or kopima or beba. But one say ya, Echinyije bana mumbi enumu ntemi wasia. Listen, enya 10 years. This is where some of us we miss it. It is not about insulting the person. Sometimes even friends, there can become an argument. It may be a football cry, an argument about. Listen, I know you see a watra, a say an among. There are some words when you say to me, and you come and tell me that you are sorry. Yes, I have forgiven you, but I'll be on the pain with which you said that, the vigor and the tenacity with which I want to cast asemno. Onipakrono buonma was say enyehwe. Nenso ontumi ne wonya yonko said emutie bio. Many of us we have lost good relationship because our words in the course of an argument were so harsh, were so bitter to swallow.
Food for
Yemu
thought.
bebre.
Lies.
Obo on the girlfriend and the fiancé. On the yire awade na gusesia because of ensem kakra bi esi awanya botre. Kasa o kachre oba no. Kasa o kachre bema no. We are saying nyina pa chaw o si da bi. Send mitimi kasetia pike pa bike kansam kire no a hunu se bibi o. Enya de kipke ye no a. Ana no asem bi ana me de ne ho yi asemi mu enti wo call office na wo ni obi sai asem kitua bi watima yaw pa hunu se a time bi wo ho dada wo ye na hi dada wo ye na de bi wantumi amfa nsie o ye se nya hwe na ope kwan. Don't tell me say neya na sa de we nti na wo ye sa. You are a human being, you think. And it's the end say odi obi ho yaw hwe ni mu. There are times when differences and conflicts just cannot be resolved. It doesn't mean that the person or the other is evil or sinful. It just means that the differences in opinion has no solution. Move on. You will do any bofu. Na kai aye de atenie. Enyo bia na akasa tia no a ode be chew. Obi o ha ontumi fa nche. Yabeka wiase nyina asem. So enke kampo. Okuko. Bebi kakra bi na obo funti no. Kasa efri wonu mu ba. Utu chiki man krofo. Ukrukra na utu chiki man no. To oba bi wonu ma. So onam jato ani. Bema bi wonu ma. So onam jato ani. Ni bufu ya. Asem obetu ama ni yire. No personal attacks. The fact say me ni wan drink ko ben kromu nkyere say minim nyansa. My perspective of things. So sometimes, probably you need to talk to me in a very nice way for me to understand you. Mentiasia chaso. Baby, I can't say. I brought your friend John Mark. Paul knew omu kwa juma. Timothy mo. Omu dru Pamphylia na John Mark assigns one day wabre. Nyami juma no wabre. Esi Paul. Ejomu ba baka omo sabe ko ba bibio no. Ena Barnabas si o yemfa de John Mark corner Paul se memani so me. Paul no otia o short nti wasa apa. Danidi wa bin wase memfa John Mark nko ba bia da. Na otia tresem ne se akasakasa emu odin. But the anticipate baby obi kasatia ne yonko. Barnabas and Paul and Yadjene. And so Paul and Cassantia Barnabas. They argued. Paul argued the reason why I own to me for Barnabas. Because you see, obi fanisa nkoso dadiem funtum dadiem no nshanechi. It is a John Mark yes ade no dia own to me ne nante. Eti Barnabas kan anuma sem nyina. Barnabas ya ne odifo a no shenkom akese. Yonko brebo ne agabus o si de na boss woni ne be chekere ne sase. No kasafa po. Tie me. Argument yesi ye nyina enyo. Abufu ama. Omu nyina we fa na we fa. But sometimes certain issues you have to let go. You have to let sleeping dogs lie. utwimu saa ebete.
Food for thought, changing lives.
Barnabas person de John Mark or Paul said ebi. Nyame adwuma no omkoye. Omo nyina ya disciples anase omo ye Christo chidifo akese. Enti ministry so for penny hebi aso abrante ketua bi hebi a ono adwene nkwa yi bi o kire na adwene obibi enkase bi o etu known akora ketua wo ne so for penny na wo ho oma pulpit ba kuma ko preach ya fe de wa betri wa sorry atia ne konso o kan na wo kabi hey hweye Bible say baby a Joab gira ye ekudi kunim yadi Uriah gira ho wani one day wo wi David ipe Uriah kuno o ka kire Joab o tro krata ma awurade nyankopon wi ase hu Uriah was holding on one death warrant no their common Joab okay kai was say for Uriah gira okon no baby emu odin wa fa de yire uwie ya wa pese se kuno David is somai edi Uriah no death warrant what the command no ye di Uriah gira baby akunu mu odin and need 2 minutes na seka wura ne mu twa no akuno ya baby ho no ma ye wo nyame nipa bi ho a baby ono nyame anante aduro no sa u cassette ya no no me ano no ministry no agu what now your prophet said day a free sada no ko we ya ba you don't joke with fathers in ministry you won nyame asofu kukudama wasum nyame 55 years what didn't mudie no kre on say won come da and on father santo soma o kan santum ko nti wo say nyame mu no sa generation muheye.
Food for thought, changing lives.
You have to honor whom honor is due. Osofu penny ebi a young boy a wo fefe revelation upon revelation wo shem come now yes say now manfo nya yaresa me ye dwa osofu no so wan hwe ya ha na obeka bebre ayesa akotete o ma sorry ene ekom na awi wo mo etom de adane apobo bro ho ase ate na nyame no antetew mame fa unko 2 Timothy chapter 4 verse 11. There is a postscript to this story. Paul now pull John Mark no. John Mark ekodi Barnabas nasia Barnabas tete no. Ochro krata koma Timothy was 2 Timothy 4:11. Osi me ni look na wa ha. Na mom o ba fa John Mark breme. Man kalabrosa katarabrosa. Fa John Mark breme na ne ho won fa so mamme. Ewo ministry nim. Se Paul di John Mark atemo a ko ntumi mfre no. Se Paul kasete a Barnabas a ko ntumi mfre no. Wo mu bienu ewo mu se adwene no ankop fe ko. Nanso edru maybe Paul te de Barnabas aye John Mark. Enu ti na tie me. Oba bi ewo life um e bia wo hu no so mfa so. Be ma bi benya no wabotra ware no. Ah, na nya wo girlfriend na oni ja so onye papa no na obi aware na oye papa ma no. Enye be ma na wo so onye papa na. Woni na dwen ko ben krom. E kire se na mum adwene nhia. Enti oba bi ehu sa be ma no a waka ne ho nsem so onye. Enu ti na wo obi jaya ngunu ho fin sai no. Bo ne oba bi ntem tete ye wa sai na kire wi ase nyina afi be ma bi so hu sa oba no hu no so bibi be dawo ai ne woni na ware awo nkwala oba no ye kama obi o asamre no na oninim die woni ma bi ho obi o asamre no onim nyansa woni ma bi ho enti obra na no obo no kra no na obo no biara but woni ne ntem kra te ye no wasua nyansa obi o hra de wi ansa na ne aba ho so enti kasa ne atenie na ode mano no uno obi na ye adwuma hebia satan ko wia usika ana satan no ne oje achinyi bi na nani nso ade and there was a son. And fear bed do a chini, Ushia now, Pesa, with the sa, Subana, no woman, crowd. What's the son? Why come on? Percent one episode added to the so. No one we into day. No, you're coming sunny into day. Paul will say, Monfa John Mark. 2 Timothy 4:11. Monfa John Mark Mremen and who yame. And you Paul had a pamo John Man. Now, face or cassette here, John Marka. Go bet to Macassi and Fanabra. When you have argument with people, no personal attacks. Okunu, uno yire actually in Kobenkrum, no personal attacks. Because one say ya, Kasa be catch and the free side and call, then Nijay you hope you. Misrao, and the dear castle. Which I am Kopomo Brogunumu, who know Binya Sem, and now no Binya, a Casana actually in Kobenkuma, show no Kasa ye. Because it be a name, fear be a down him, send the panona or Bebuawo. Yamin fa bof for me giant chain first camera. Yamin be a kwama a favor. It was in a Yesu Christo. When you na wonya onipa any nyame animu adom. When you have a favor before God, it has to transcend down to human beings. Yani nipa ne ti ha, ni aliens. Eti nipa ne be hirawo. No nyame member nipa no hirawo. Nipa ye obe hirawo ni wa ye no adi na teme na masem keto be e bae. Unshia will be what kind of story so or can actually chile will be na fe or call page moko and not many jano no. Any jano didn't sabos house waba. I was here for changing lives. No personal attacks. So that relationships can go on. We agree to disagree. We disagree to agree. And God bless you.
Omanhene, your man in the morning.
Okay, Tony Saka say Bomodna, yeah, customer service promo. Na TVs, ne fridges, freezers, air conditioners, washing machines, gas cookers, microwaves, rice cookers, blenders, kettle, home theaters, and electrical, all home electronics there. Your property, the bra. Na teme. Yeah, so to test freezer na deep freezer na any other freezer bia na ya chawa de enya krade ya chawa de na una wosene no enti friend number we 0500 309 309 0500 309 309 and 0244 266 193 0244 266 193 edum Wesley Methodist usane a triangle no Obo se bohono mo ezikaram kantimpo mo Tony Sack ni ajo so top papa preko ye kodad jojo ye ho ama de patch ni atwe mu a na ye comfort mattress bodwuma keke o da so atim se wo da foam so yes wa koji foam papa comfort foam ye wo king size queen size double single student mattress ahodo aye design kama wo de design bi a wo pe bi abeka che ye nyina bi wo ho kama Achuma Afrancho Fuase 0242 810 705 0242 810 705. Habai Opesa ho to now dawa sorry kama Ensure to toy Valeria no sa eninem from emuani a man tontomonyo na san tontono so wo muade no akawa Valeria ba we hear haba Mr. Bobby. What do sa to aduane mu na don sa ne mu anu sorry. Over phone. Unya the needed minerals and vitamins oni peduem. Into bomodina loss of appetite. And haba Mr. A immune booster. Soja phone wo umuno omu bodjumantino. E ma hoya day efichikromu health menstrual problems. Sisi yade pains ahodo. Anajo kodena na se wanya insomnia bi yam chronic sania mani typhoid fever nyina Fred doctor no pay 0257 533 424 0257 533 424 anyan kwanta be kwai ehonmo na be hu Misty Herba Colinac Apidank Danny Herba and Freddie Mens obenya bi atop me ba cho tie me obi on Fred Jumedie ni soda. You have a testimony or you've been blessed by this program this morning, give me a call 055 I see the unfraid jumedi soda. And the kwan so misrewa. And now, wow, Fred out to me fray. And then the unfraid da. Ubu also wa fra 5 years unya. Omona kwenya wa homa. 0551 931 931. 0551 931 931. Number no. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Biba chon ye.
Daddy Pacho.
Mami tiwa no pay.
I'm afraid na attack. What?
Biba chon chia on kakra na o kasa no mente hwe. Hello.
Hello.
Aha, kasa.
Mebusam. Yeah.
Mebusam Afreda. David. Mebusam Madam Fupa baku amenya no ba mesro. Proverbs and na de facha me. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello.
Morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Program so.
Oh, so why nie?
From Ibrahim.
Ibrahim.
Yeah, my first Kasatin.
Mami tiwa no pay.
Bra, ya mean sure why.
Amen.
Ya mean me your program pa right from Cape Coast we Kasatin. Me your program pa about the personal number.
Okay. Better guy.
Why?
God bless you. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Mama.
Pacho why nie?
I just from myself, every match
Yo, ma wona so kakra bi ma me why?
Yeah, I didn't met you so many years. Now I'm in the man. I'm the mechanic.
Amen.
Just a name of the one.
If I say that more sexy, no. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho why nie?
Pacho, every me.
Referee hey.
Pacho, every carry me.
Yo, emo sound Fred jumedi so da.
Na mi doing friend na mi tio pa.
And na dey o dem my ntio.
Me da ya was pa ni o tio. Ya mi show pa.
Israel so.
Tio na do pa da was futu na mari e pa mi small time me so one so tio pa.
Ai fanante na obey ni pass from Konwate.
Me da se.
Ya mi Israel. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, my dear. Pacho why nie?
Eventually, Mammy,
Oh, oba ya mi tio.
Omanhene, I'm sure, Papa.
Amen.
It's all set. Listen. No, listen. If you said, me say, this will be a minute to shoot. What will you see, Miss Sarah? Or can you be my son? I feel meaning the Mariano. I know some like I said, why in the state? So I do my son fine. But I'm not over on penny money and Mrs. Summer. But my senior, and then my senior, my time was soon. My time was soon, but I'm not coming, I'm watching. And then my Monday. Sunday, yes. That mistake. I said, the maternal star, my co-Jerry, member. What do maternal star? Then I'm a guy's sister.
You were any free. My dear.
Da.
You were Nina call foul Bawati.
Amen.
Oba kwada fe.
Amen.
Come on. Wati.
Hallelujah. Me da.
Yi ehu bia free mu.
Me da.
Ai. Akwara na ukura no ye bose ba.
Amen.
Obuwa na ni hunu ade niam wo hunu no chese. Ka ya na wa jewa na wo de areho na wa pon ensi da wo be wo afa ho afa oba.
Amen.
Wan hwe abeto te se kusu akra. Wati.
Amen. Hallelujah.
Ya Israel, koko. Where you asem. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Omanhene.
Yes, sir. Why nie?
I'm actually give it there.
Okay, mami tio.
I'm sure pa. Maybe I dance with you.
Mami tio.
If you're American about the Epunum. Na me dance with two coins and
that's 34 years ago. No, my. The buyer on any brothers, you have been or say a kind of no matter any ban of because when I'm crowding more, the buyer no to be a 15 machine and a Sompa. The program where you need to home to program the beer, we must or any back to crown. The regular media see one of the coming. The Amatipiano can be a 5 of women. I bought one thing, my family, but the program no, you know, just say, yeah, I'm sorry, let me name it, a treachery. One person, I mentioned when we young. Now, money, in Ghana. Let me, Ukraine. That's a my country, no matter.
Wow.
Abakana, the cat, and I can't cook America back.
Wow.
My program is
Glory to
that
God.
I'm stressed. Yeah, I'm still wow. Okay, this is the kind of share. My phone can say, "Yeah, I don't come out here." Putting a minimum of yeah, Potigi in Taibo.
God.
They matter about my parents when you are still on Oman. You know, so young, retirement time after now with the better fee.
Oversharing Nana no.
Nobody's overshading none.
Oh, buying Nana no more channel was here.
Oh, my.
Oh,
And you cry.
I had the
You're
faster than many.
or French. You know what's saying, Grandma? How much DM you sort of bumpire?
Glory to God.
It comes from your and yet. Not me to go put up to, you know.
You're faster than more Cassiano, my brother. You're faster than more Cassiano. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pat-
But your family might have quite different form.
Yo, Michael, Mammy Tiano pay.
But make us every ITT container share what?
Yo, Casa.
Omanhene.
Yes.
Me pacho me da wasepa.
Die, Yamitia.
Me pacho me shed your way and a radina was I am a mea. Me see me with your menka. Hello.
I was sitting there, see. But who's all the energy pan, Casa?
Me follow because me flower me now. Me flower me now. Phenomen now.
Hey, I was see.
Me say a radina was so I'm a name my real Bible school me evangelist.
Wow. Wow.
Me baby am I want 9 months. 9 months you. Na akurano me say me sorry na me sorry ah. Me be television na was say
So whom you are not any aji?
me so would you on your mind.
Wow. Aye, akwara ne be nyina be chan me kra wate. Hello Agwasi.
Hello my.
Me say akwara no be nyina be chan me kra wate.
Me pa cho rading me da wano ase. Me da wano ase.
Ye pa fa ne wura nyame mu.
Me pa cho yo me so
Say akwara say Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Me pa cho hwan nie. Me ba cho ma one so kakra me nuaba. Okay, so wa. Sefura. Eza Sefura e kremoni me boa. Salamu alaikum. Mami nti wa no pe.
Amo the same.
Ye ho ye pa Sefura. Okay.
I'm someone work as a
Huh?
the car show, the very health as a new. The individual said it was gone. And they were other corner, Mr. Castle, radio station. They made a share. I see this son who so on. They are not yet that station where. The service I almost say phobia on my own swan. I'm certain primary by home, I'm fancy. And I'm a research station for, but my back station was me. Yeah, but my room was me.
Kafra.
I found in a dinner bound. And the young girl, and I was it's 24 for me. And some way you see, I see, you need to do some.
Yamin Shapa. You also why? Alibaba or Angel. Okay. Hello.
Omanhene.
Yes, sir.
Yakupon tole bua sinchira mama wate.
Amen.
Wawunia na nantakra Boakye Bishop Wapiza. There's Reverend Dr. Martin Kokufo Jr. On any Mrs. Monica Fojo, almost a much young.